Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amma. For those of you who are new, I do everything here right here on this channel. So if it's your first time, do not make it your last by clicking on the subscribe button. So today we are doing a crochet locks right here, and then I showed you the crochet locks, and this is what we'll be doing. So I need you all to follow so that we can all get the processes. Okay, so right now I'm opening the crochet log, and then I'll be, this is kind of that's a self-explanatory. So it's so simple. You look at it and you do it. If you still cannot do it, go back, rewind, and watch again. So most of the things I can't really explain. I'm sure when I explain you get confused, so it's better to watch and then do it. Okay, so you notice that I am using the um what's the name of this, the is it Mali hair or kinky hair? Yes, kinky hair. I'm using it to create braids, maybe a twist of braids, and then I'll crochet the lock onto it. This is just for length. We just, because as we get to the upper part of the head, the locks will be shorter, so we need an extension. That's why I'm doing this. I hope you guys understand. And then I'm placing it in between two locks. Okay, not placing it directly under one lock, in between two locks, just to create an illusion of a fuller hair. Okay, so you could just watch and then practice. It's so easy, everybody can do it. So as you can see, I'm just trying to crochet the lock and the kinky hair, and I'll just twist it together so that it creates a length. So down here, I'm trying to show you that when I do this part, it makes the locks have the same length, so that if you wear it, some are not shorter than others, although they are the same length out of the package. But if I'm doing it, that's how I do it, so that it's seamless, the length is the same. So you just need to watch. It's so easy. As I said, I'm using the same kinky hair to wrap around it, and then it will blend seamlessly with the lock. You will not even notice that I used a kinky or a Mali hair to wrap around it, or to wrap it.
And our virtual connection falls apart. Guess it's been too many years since California. Now the memories of us is all I have. See, one day I'm gonna reach ya, take a plane for many miles. We pretend that time didn't pass us by when we're on Mulholland Drive. I know it won't be long before dawn. Gotta be patient for a while. Someday we'll look at stars in this same sky. When I'm on the other side.
So as you can see, now it's almost the same or even longer than the ones I've done. Do you understand? So that is the procedure. That is what we'll be doing. You need an extension as you go higher the head, so that it, it sits with the others down, like at the nip area. I don't know if that's what's called, just above your neck, behind your neck. Yes, it sits with those hairs there. They are all uniform. Please, I just hope I'm explaining it well. Other than that, I just would like to keep quiet so that you watch.
For a while, someday we look at stars in the same sky. When I'm on the other side. I never thought I'd feel like this. Yeah. I never thought I'd feel like this. Ooh, never thought I could. Yeah. I never thought I'd be on my shit, be on my. I'm spending my time in love like I should. No more struggling, I'm all good. Yeah. I never thought I'd feel like this. Feel like, feel like this. Feel like, I never thought I'd feel like this. Feel like, feel like this. Feel like, I never thought I'd feel like this. I never thought I'd feel like this. Ooh, never thought I could. Yeah. I never thought I'd be on my shit, be on my. I'm spending my time in love like I should. No more struggling, I'm all good. Yeah. I never thought I'd feel like, feel like, feel like this. Feel like, I never thought I'd feel like this. Feel like, feel like this. Feel like, feel like. I'm spending my time in love like I should. No more struggling, I'm all good. Yeah. I never thought I'd feel like. I never thought I'd feel like I never thought I'd feel like
So we've skipped to the front part. I just want to show the front part quickly. So this is a 4x4 closure and I've braided it. So I'm just going to also attach the kinky hair to the braided hair. Then I'll use the kinky again to wrap around it as well. It's just the same procedure I explained earlier. So it's nothing new. I just wanted to make it clear. And because the front hair is short, I extended it with the kinky so that it will also be the same length, just as I'm showing here. It will be the same length when you wear your wig. Yes.
Tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
What does perfect even mean?
Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we are in pixels on a screen. No.
So as you can see, this unit turned out nice. As usual, we always come clean. And this is a beautiful unit. Yeah, so if you want more tutorials, keep on watching, keep on subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, click on your post notification, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.